Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to style lists in CSS. First, I will explain what I already wrote in the code. To start, we have these four lists, two unordered and two ordered lists. Each one has a class. I put the class A, class B, class C and class D, just to be different. Then I open our style tag. Then I open the global selector. I wrote that the font size of the whole document will be 1.4 rem. And here we are going to start our tutorial. To start, we are going to say that every UL element from the tag A, from the class A, curly brackets or braces, will have the list style type of a circle. It will become a circle with nothing inside it. If you copy it and paste it and just change the A to the class B and we put a square, it will also change to square. I will not make an exhaustive list of what you can of the style types of the list, but you can just try it out. Now we can just copy again, but instead of UL, that's the unordered list, we are going to change the third one, the first ordered list, and the class C. You can see here, and instead of a square, you will probably want a letter. Let's put a upper alpha, ABC, uppercase. We will also put a style type for the last one, for the D class, and it could be upper Roman, and it will have the 1, 2, 3 in Roman. Now we are going to look for an image to put in our list icon, imagine in this square. The image should be very small, but since I don't have any small image, I will just pick one very big. It won't look good, it won't look nice, it will look very ugly, but it's just for educational purposes. Image. Then you put URL, brackets, put the apostrophe, the URL of the image, the semicolon, save it, here you go. You can see that it has the little thing on the sides. Now we are going to jump to the inside and the outside, the position of the list. So let me just move it because it looks ugly. Let's go to the first one. If we let it list style position and let it outside, it will not change because it's the default value. But if you put inside in here, you can see that the second one will go a little bit inside to the right. And now to the shorthand. In the shorthand, let me just remove everything but the A, the first one. Here, let's remove everything. Instead of list style, list style type, we only write a list style. Here, we are going to put the style type. Then, if it's inside or outside, the position. And an image, we are going to use the same image. Of course, if any of these values is missing, it will automatically go as the default values. We save it. The image is not working, I don't know why. Yes, okay, sorry. I need to copy it again. Copy image link. save it. Here we go. The whole list, since it's inside, it goes a little bit to the right. It had enough space to put the image, and here we go, it's our list. Short-handed list. Here you can do also something like this. The font size, you can ignore it. But the background color and the padding. The background color it's the blue, the padding it's the bigger outside the lines, and the background color of the the LI tag, the list item, the padding it has in the margin left to make it a little bit wider. And here you can also create something like this, just the same background and the padding, and here margin and the padding. Of course, it could look even better if you imagine list, style, position, decide. I don't know. You are the one who decides that. So, thank you guys and see you soon.